All right, guys, so now we're going to do our chaining, and we're going to do it with the TH sound so that we can get some practice, okay? I know we just wrote it, and we said it a million times, I felt like, but we're not done because not all of us have mastered it. Now we're going to write it in words with our chaining, okay? The very first word that I want you to write in our chaining today is bath. Bath. The very first sound in the word bath is B. The second is ah. And I know that T and H work together to make the sound. Bath. All right. And I bet one good thing about me recording these is that you can pause it whenever you are not ready to move on, okay? All right, so the next one, I want you to change the word bath to the word path. Path. All right, I want you to change the word path to one of my very, very favorite things, math. Math. And then our TH digraph. Math. Notice how I'm only changing the beginning sound so far. All right, now I'm going to change the word math to the word moth. Moth. Aw. What says aw? Oh, like octopus. And then our TH. Off. And I changed the middle sound. Finally got to change that one. All right, I want you to change the word moth to the word mom. And if mom is there, I want you to turn to her and say thank you. Mom. Beginning, middle, end. I changed the end. All right. Change the word mom to the word mop. 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 All right, bringing in our sounds from the other day, ch and sh. Okay, so we have our TH, our CH that says ch, 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 and our SH that says sh. I want you to change the word mop to the word chop. 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 I want you to change the word chop to the word shop. 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 And our very, very last one, we're going to change the word shop to the word hop, like a bunny. Hop. Hop. The first sound, second sound, ah. Final sound, p. Hop. So I went from bath, path, math, moth, mom, mop, chop, shop, hop. All right, so there was chaining today, and it is linked on our slides. Thank you guys for watching.